Horses out of shining armor. Best to begin. Darlev is running by Drell. Z Senor in the middle. Then followed by Gallant Prince and Hatch Out is the early trailer. Z Senor, the leader by about 3 for Balenka. And on the outside, second is Shining Armor. 2 lengths away in third, Darlev. Then followed by Gallant Prince and Hatch Out is the early trailer by about 7 to 8 lengths up the pace. Meanwhile, moving up now is Shining Armor, this time by about 3 for Balenka. Z Senor drives back in second, Darlev now trying to get closer in third. Gallant Prince in fourth and Hatch Out. And it's still Shining Armor by about 3 for Balenka. Z Senor once again fighting back. Darlev is on the outside. Then 5 lengths away in fourth comes Gallant Prince and Hatch Out. Darlev now moving up on the outside. Z Senor is running by Drell. Racing in third is Shining Armor. As they come down at the last 150. Z Senor, Darlev is on the outside. But it's still Z Senor by a length and a half. Darlev is on the outside second and in third Shining Armor. But it's still Z Senor by about 3 lengths over Darlev, Shining Armor. And nearing the finish line is Z Senor. Second is Darlev. Shining Armor, Hatch Out. Then comes Gallant Prince.
Nagantihan ni si Senyor, si Darlev, but still unofficial po ito, unofficial ito.